this here in a little bit. This is one of the mini hand saws that takes a Dewalt 20-volt battery. It was a cheap eBay one. I bought it back in the summer. I haven't really used it. Never really done a review on it, but it was in my chainsaw video. But I picked it up. It was dirt cheap. Come in this case. Come with an instruction manual. It also comes with a spare chain. And it came with a little oiler and a tool. I've used it a couple times, and today I'm going to take it out and cut some trees with it, some little branches, so stay tuned. Alright, as you saw in the footage, I was able to use this. I did use it for a good while, cutting some little saplings and odds and ends down. It seemed pretty powerful. I know it is not a Dewalt. It does take the Dewalt batteries. I do have a Dewalt chainsaw. But this thing's a lot lighter and easier to use for some saplings. The only fault I had with it is I ended up losing this nut. It made the bar and chain loosen up, but luckily I had some spare 6mm nuts, and I put a new one on it. Got me a spare I'm gonna throw in the case. But other than that, it seems to work pretty good. I wouldn't be afraid to buy another one.